Hey YouTubers, so you want to know how you can make $100 by only typing? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that with a little trick I have in store for you, which I'm going to share later in this video. So stick around! Assalamu alaikum, this is Danish and welcome to my channel Affiliates Dan. Now before we get into the video, I would really appreciate if you could show your support by subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you know whenever I release my new video. Now about this website, this system which is going to make you some pretty bucks only for typing. What is this website? Which website I'm talking about? It's called textbroker.com. Yes. Now, guys, what happens? There are companies and people out there who are looking for content every other day. They don't have time to create their own content, so they hire companies like Textbroker to write content for them. What they don't know, or maybe they do, that Textbroker hire people like me and you to write content for their clients and share a little bit piece of pie with you for every article. Now this content can be for a magazine or a website or even for a blog who submit their request about their contents into this website, and Textbroker then share those jobs, those content creation jobs among the authors. Now, when I say authors, I mean people like me and you who are registered with this website. Now, we pick up these jobs according to our convenience, and we write an article about those, whatever is required in that job, and submit it back again and get paid. Now, before we go any further, I would like to inform you guys that this offer, this website, only works for people who are living in US or UK. So if you're outside of US or UK, this website is not for you. So you can move on to the next video, or do whatever you want to do if you don't want to watch this video anymore. But don't be disheartened. I have a surprise for you, because I'm promoting a free ebook about affiliate marketing, which is quite a read, and it has benefited very many people who have downloaded this ebook. It's completely free, so check it out in the description box of this video, and then maybe move on to the next video if you want to. Now, as for Textbroker, it's pretty simple. I've already told you, all you gotta do is type. Okay, now see over here, free client registration. These are the clients. This button is for the clients who want to request articles and content from Textbroker. Now, similarly, there is an option for people who want to provide services for Textbroker's clients. And for that, you have to come over here, I write content, and well, first you can check out the payment. Let me show you how the payment works. Now, apparently, when you sign up, you are only a 2-star author, so you get payment according to that level, and it's not much. But once you have submitted 1 to 3 articles and you get good ratings and your reviews are good, you start climbing the ladder on the ranking. And by the time you're on 4 or 5, 5-star, you get pretty good payments and pretty good, well, decent amount of payouts. For like over here, for 2-star, for every word you get 0.7 cents. If you're a 3-star author, you get 1 cent, and if you are a 4-star author, you get 1.4. And for 5-star, oh my goodness, goodness, 5 cents per word. Now, this may not seem a lot, but guys, when you write an article, your average article is between 1,000 to 2,000 words, and words like are, is, the, we, if, they all count as words. So by the time you're done with the article, you're making pretty much a pretty decent amount of one job, and you can do at least, if you have time, if you have like 2 hours or in a day to spare for text broker, you can make easily, you can do easily 4 to 5 articles and make enough, according to what they have claimed. You can make, you know, like over here, there's a calculator, right? 2-star author. Let's bump this up to 2,500 words. Now, 2-star author, 2,500 words, you get $17.50. Now imagine if you can do like 3 jobs, you get around 50 something or $60. No, not 70. Yeah, for around $50, 45 or $50. That's pretty neat. In a day. I mean, they post jobs. They have like big clients who are asking for articles every single day, so they don't run out of jobs. You always find an article to write about, a subject to write about, and you can easily make $17.50. 2,500 words is nothing, guys. It is nothing. Now check this out. After a couple of articles, a couple of submissions, you get good reviews. You are bumped up to 3-star. Now see, $25 per job. You keep on doing good work, oh my God, $35 per job. You hit the jackpot. 5-star, $125 per job. Imagine if you do 3 articles in a day, multiply this by 3, and that much amount you are making in a day. This is crazy, guys. And I know, you must be thinking, hey, come on, Danish, I'm not a typist. I don't know. I mean, I know how to type, but I can't write 2,500 words in a day. I'm slow. I never learned anything from typing to it or whatever. You don't have to worry about it. Remember the trick I was talking about in the beginning of the video? Well, check this out. Google Docs. Yeah, baby. All you gotta do is sign up with Google Docs. If you have a Google account, you already signed up. So all you gotta do is install the app and just go over to here, click plus. Come on. Don't do this right now. Don't you dare do this right now. Okay, now let's work. Now, see, it's just like Microsoft Word, only it's online and it's owned by Google. There's a tool that I was referring to in the beginning of the video, and this tool works amazingly. I mean, if you're not into typing, you gotta use this tool. So obviously we need to go over here and tools and spelling, word count, explore, voice typing. You see where I'm getting at? Now all you gotta do is click over here and start saying stuff, and this will type for you, man. Look, check this out. Making money online is seemingly impossible for many people. Period. However, if you have will to do the impossible, there's no power in this world which can stop you. And for the exact people with this mentality, I want to let you know that there is a free ebook out there for affiliate marketers, which is the perfect guide on how to create your business from the scratch without even having a product. If you'd like to acquire this book, please check the description of this video and claim it today. Period. See how easy was this? And just let me check something out for you, okay? How many words? Okay, I can't do it from here. I'm still Microsoft user, so let's see. Okay, word, spell count, workout. Characters, 90 words. 90 words in like how many seconds did it take for me to say all that stuff? I don't know, 10, 15 seconds max. 15 seconds you can have 90 words typed for you. And I was slow. I was really enunciating that there. So this is like a perfect opportunity for people who are living in UK and US. Go, guys, just and girls, just go ahead, sign up, and do this. And it's so easy. See how I plugged in my free book in there without you even knowing it? Well, actually, you're not that stupid. You knew what I was doing, but still very clever, right? Well, anyways, so do this. Go ahead. Go work, do text broker. Sign up. Let me know how it goes. Leave comments. Like the video. Please do that. I need your support. I'm doing some good work here. Like the video. And check out the links in the description as mentioned in this paragraph. So just go ahead, sign up, let me know how it goes, leave comments. Okay, take care, bye-bye.